As you can tell, guys, I've got my knits out today. I've got my nice cardigan jumpers out, got my waistcoat. I've got my big boots out as well. It's really cold, crisp autumn October day today. I've got to go and drop my car off for an MOT today, and then I've got to pick it up later. I think it'll be done in about an hour and a half, so I can just go to the shops and check out some home stuff. Just got home, guys. You've seen me have lunch at work, so I didn't need to have lunch basically, but I'm gonna have a little snack in a bit. But I just wanted to cook for later on in the evening because I just don't want to do anything today. I'm just really tired after work and after rushing around like a headless chicken, so I just want to like make some chicken. That's like a rhyme, isn't it? Yeah, headless chicken, but I want to make some chicken. Wow. I just made some fish fingers and some mozzarella sticks. Made some mozzarella sticks in the air fryer too, so I'm just having that as I'm going along and cooking at the same time. For the rest of the evening I'm not going to do much, to be honest. I'm just going to relax at home and just catch up on some work stuff on my iPad. Guys, look at the state of my boot. I need to get this sorted at some point. This is all my work stuff. Oh, just come to do a visit. Let me find my blood sugar machine. Oh God, I really need to get on top of this. I will do this one day. I really will tackle it. I've been getting wet all day, soaked, windy. I was about to be flown away by the wind as well, guys. But I came inside to do my last visit now. This looks like a hotel, but it's like a residential place. But yeah, look, it looks like a catwalk, doesn't it? All you need some models and some high heels. But yeah, I'm just finishing off now, guys, and heading home.
There's a wonderful Bosnian writer called Alexander Heyman who said, home is where people notice when you're not there.
All along it was a fever.
my lettuce is doing really well. I'm really impressed with my lettuce. I've got some spinach as well. Got some spinach, some chilies, but the chilies haven't come out just yet. Got that spinach, and I got some mint as well, guys. But I'm going to take some lettuce off now and make a little roll, like little baguette roll, so I can have it for lunch.